Hello and welcome to Lazy Gardener. Today we're going to be looking at blackfly on bean plants and how to get rid of it. Let's get started.
Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay awake and do them. People dream of good things.
Fly will attack anything in the bean family and can be easily removed organically or with a spray that consists of water and washing up liquid. You want to add enough washing up liquid into the water until it feels tacky when you spray your hand and rub it together. All you have to do is spray the infected area with this solution and the little blackfly will suffocate. Blackfly are found on the underside of leaves, on the stems and on the blossom tips of the bean plant, so ensure that you get these completely coated until the plant is dripping to get rid of the problem. Without treatment, the bean plant can be severely damaged. Thanks for watching.